To do this, you hover over the visual you want and select the pin icon. Once you select that, you'll see in the dialog a preview of what the chart would look like on the dashboard, and also the option to either pin to an existing dashboard or create a new dashboard. Let's, in this case, create a new dashboard. Once you select pin, you'll see a notification in the top right that it was successful. By clicking on the new dashboard in the left navigation, we'll be able to see that visual. Since dashboards should consist of visuals from a lot of different reports and dashboards, let's add a couple more tiles. Let's go back to the report and pin this matrix. And since we want to add it to the same dashboard, we'll leave existing dashboard selected. And let's pin this map. Once we go back to the dashboard, we'll see all three tiles there. Now that we have the tiles on the dashboard, we can start editing the dashboard. We can do things like resizing tiles by going to the bottom right corner and dragging. Or we can do things like moving the tiles around. Once the dashboard is how we want it, we can do other things such as editing the tiles title. So revenue for USA. Or editing the subtitle, or even changing where the tile points to. By default, a tile will point to whatever its source was. So in this case, the report we pinned from. Well, you can change that. Once you hit apply, the details will save. And then you can go on to edit other tiles. You can also pin things like visuals from a report. To add things like your company's logo. Let's just resize that to make it a bit smaller and put it on the top left corner. Great. Now you have a very nice dashboard that shows visuals from your company's